Hey, this is Matt with Rapid Fitness. Today we're going to run through the pause squat, which is just another variation which can help you improve your overall squat. The pause squat is good for a few different things. The first one is it creates a lot of time under tension. So you're stopping at the point at which you're weakest, putting a lot of time under tension in that spot so you can learn how to generate power from that weakest spot. Second thing it can teach you is how to be tight in the hole. So in the hole just refers to the bottom of the squat. If you hit the bottom of the squat and you tend to twist, or if you dump forward, a pause squat variation can help you be more comfortable and teaches you how to be tight and maintain good position while you're in the bottom of that squat. And third thing is you're just strengthening the weakest portion of your squat. So again, just like we talked about in the bench and deadlift videos, you're just pausing at your weakest point in the squat. That could be at the bottom, or it could even be on the way up. So a couple different variations. Here's one on the way down. We pause at the bottom and drive back up. And this variation is great for creating tightness straight out of the bottom. This is the hole in the squat. Second variation is when you come down, you use the rebound out of the hole and pause on the way up. And then you continue to go back to the top. That's a quick overview of the pause squat, how it can be used and what it's beneficial for. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.